Very good podcast.
Okay.
Let's go! Woohoo! Let's go to Norway! We get it!
I'm about to have a good day, no matter what they say.
Sarah's interview. So, I'm Sarah. I'm turned 25. I'm from South Korea.
What's your sign?
Sun is shining down on me. Birds are singing praise.
Play a song, brother.
Look, Mom, I'm a vlogger.
Wait, clothes on the ground somewhere. Sarah! Good morning!
Good morning.
We should think about a team name.
Yeah, we really need to do the team name.
I found.
I'm about to have a good day. In every single way, the God who made the universe knows.
Hey guys, I'm Becca. What's up? So we're here on the west coast of Norway, somewhere near Stavanger, maybe. Yeah.
Me by my name, so it's a good day. Baby in my arms.
I keep touching it with my nose and the zoom thingy just goes away.
Walking through the neighborhood, living in the present, not what I shoulda or could. I remember back when I was low as a rug. Now I'm standing up, look at what my father does, turning all things new, gray skies blue. Hear the church saying, won't he do it? I know he's got my back. That's why I'm singing that. I'm about to have a good day, no matter what they say.
You're very awkwardly filming. Christy, what are we doing?
We are going on a mini outreach to a youth group. So it's gonna be wonderful.
Sun is shining down on me. Birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day in every single way. The God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's a good.
We will just yeah, put it a little bit in reverse. So what about that?
Yeah, it's a good day. No, it's great. Everything I prayed for didn't come in late. I got all I need and I didn't have to wait.
Sarah.
Okay, today we are going to surfing. Okay, have fun, you guys.
And Lord, I lift my hands. I give all the praise to you.
It's the hostel.
Hostel?
Yeah, so this is the kitchen.
Nice kitchen.
Empty
Uh,
cribs. Very
So,
nice.
What's up? This is the kitchen. This is where the magic happens. Now we have some sink,
Yo.
dishwasher. You know, this is where we all store all the buzz.
Yeah, then we got the dining room, pretty nice. There's Chloe, you know. And then we come over to the, oh, we got a garden. Got a living room.
It's okay. It's okay like this.
You know, it's,
I'm Debbie. No, Deborah. Debbie, Debs. Yeah, nice to see you. But there's nobody there. But hello.
Everything I am, you gave me the strength to do. Hey, Lord,
God doesn't need to.
Oh!
He has direct access to your mind, your imagination,
He doesn't
your
touch him.
heart, the sensations of your body itself. Think about what is communication.
Yeah. What is it?
Communication is
my hands, Lord, I lift my hands. I give all the praise to you. This is my response.
Juan, I've missed you.
Me too!
For making me brand new. Hey, Lord, I can feel your presence. Putting all your peace in me. Lord, I can feel revival. Breaking up.
Perfect! I feel like like I look like a penguin.
I feel like a penguin.
I got this fear, and though it sounds crazy, man, I used to hate me till I met somebody.
Hello, Sophia.
Hello. That's a perfect board. You got a very nice board. I like it. How was it?
It's very good.
Oh, that's very cold.
He told me how he made me, how he died to save me. And if you want the same thing, all you gotta do is just say, Lord, I lift my hands.
Come on. Stand in the... Come on. And it's almost a wrap. And it's super pretty in the sky. The 3 men of the Uganda team are the last men standing from Revive 24. Hello, has it been good? Yeah?
I hate not wearing glasses.
Oh, sorry. How was it?
Very fun, but I'm cold.
How was it?
I want to go home.
How did you find surfing?
I'm wet. Very fun, very fun. We should go surfing more often. It's cool, especially because it's, well, 5. No snow though. Green. Good morning!
All the praise to you. Yeah, yeah, everything I am, everything I am. You gave me the strength to do. Yeah, you thought I lift my hand. I lift my hand. I give all the praise to you. This is my for making me.
Alright, very awkwardly look at the camera like.
Okay, now we're here. Our second mini outreach place.
Yeah.
Brand new, and I can't help it, I'm just being real. I just walk up to the mic and tell y'all how I feel. Y'all think I'm religious, I'm just trying to eat a meal. But I don't live on bread alone, you hear it in my zeal.
Wow, this is high quality stuff.
Hello, I'm Chloe. I'm from Canada, and I'm 21. And this is Eustace.
Hi, I'm Eustace. I'm not 21, I'm only 18. And I'm from Germany.
This is Felicity.
Hey, I'm Felicity. And I like warm hugs. Oh my god, I love warm hugs. And I'm from the United States and I'm 23 years old and Becca's my roommate.
Letter G-O-D, that's the best 3 letters. Where you got me moving, I'ma need Rosetta. Keep your head up.
Good for the vlog.
And Lord, I lift my hands. I give all the praise to you. Everything I am. You gave me the strength to do. Lord, I lift my hands. I give all the praise to you. This is
Very funny.
Someone just scared me.
Hi.
I heard English, I was like, what is this?
my response. Oh, this is my response. Oh, this is my response.
Yes, that's it. If you put put that on the internet, I will sue. And I have Pedro as my lawyer. I just want to make that very clear. You will lose.